Let's create a action type delegate which will take a string and print the string in the console. So here I have a named function called sendMessage, which is taking a string as parameter and it is writing the same string in the console. So my messenger1 delegate should be invoked like this. So here I am passing a string called Multicast Delegate and the string is printed in the console. Similarly, I can have another action type delegate called messenger2, which will be attached to the same function, in this case the send message. As you can see, the result is same as before and both of my string is printed in the console. However, since both of my delegates are doing the same thing, I can simply combine them and make a single delegate out of them. So in this case, I am using the addition operator and combining the messenger1 delegate and messenger2 delegate, and the result will be a single delegate named messengers. And here I am using the messengers delegate to print the multicast delegate string in the console. So as you can see, I have two strings in the console. That's because both of my messenger1 delegate and messenger2 delegate is executed in a single command. Another technique to combine the delegates would be to use the combine method of the delegate class. So here I am using the delegate.combine method to combine the messenger1 and messenger2 delegate. And here I am replacing the previous messengers delegate with this messengers combine delegate. But as you can see, it is not working because of delegate.combine returns a delegate instance rather than a string of action instance. So all I have to do here is to cast this delegate.combine to our appropriate delegate, and here in this case it is our action of string. Since I did that, my application will work and it will print the multicast delegate string in the console. So we talked about variants in the previous lesson. So here, if I have a person class and an employee class that extends the person class, I can have a single named function. So in this case it is called print, and as you can see, I am passing the less derived type as a parameter. So in this case the less derived type is a person, and I can use the same name function for an employee class too. So here I am defining another action which will pass the employee instance to my print function. So I'll just rename it to printer2 and it will also work. Now let me combine this printer1 delegate with printer2 delegate and make a single delegate out of them. So here I am using the addition operator once again and getting the result in a new variable which is called printers. So if I run this application now, you will see that my application is giving me an exception saying that delegate must be of same types. So as you can see here, it is saying delegates must be of same types. So variance in delegate won't work if I try to multicast or combine delegates. So if I do the same thing with this combine method which we used in the first place, so if I use it here like this, the application will build and run same as before, but it will give me the same exception here for the delegate.combine method. So if I run this application now, you will see that I am having the same exception saying delegate must be of same type. So as you can see, when you have variance in delegates, you can't multicast or combine the delegates to make a single one.